Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a summer glam look perfect for your vacation getaway using the Touch in Soul I Can't Wait kit. This limited edition kit retails for $60 and includes travel must-haves like a mini luggage case, passport cover, and sleeping mask, as well as the pretty filter mattish liquid eyeshadow in Charm, Medalist sparkling foiled pigment in Cream Peach and Sun Aurora, Medalist liquid glitter topper in Romantic Rose look, and Style black gel liner with diamond in onyx. I've included some swatches, so now let's get into the look. First, I'm priming with the Touch in Soul No Poreblem Priming Water. Next, I'm filling in my brows with the Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer in Chocolate and simply following the natural shape of my brows, making the tail end darker than the front. To clean up and sharpen my brows, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in the shade 04 and then setting my hairs into place with the Chella Beauty Eyebrow Defining Gel. For foundation today, I'm using the Nars Sheer Glow in the shade Mont Blanc and blending this in with a damp Pract Power Blender. You can use my discount code TaylorCherie for 10% off your order at practbeauty.com. Next, I'm setting my makeup into place and adding a bit of dew to the skin with the Pixi Rose Glow Mist. Now for concealer, I'm using the Colourpop No Filter Concealer and applying it underneath my eyes and also highlighting a little by applying it down the center of my face. Once that's blended in, I'm setting my under eyes with the Althea Korea Petal Velvet Powder, dusting away any excess powder, and then patting a bit of this all over my face using the Sigma F20 brush. Now to prime my eyelids, I'm just adding some of that concealer on top and setting it with the same translucent powder. Before going to my eye makeup, I'm quickly finishing off my face and contouring with the TheBalm Bahama Mama bronzer, which I'm applying to the hollows of my cheeks, my forehead, jawline, and along the sides of the bridge of my nose. Now I'm just tapping my beauty sponge over the top of my nose to diffuse the harshness of the contour a bit, and then bronzing with the Note Cosmetics Terracotta Blusher in the shade Vintage Pink. For highlighter, I'm using the Terracotta Powder in Stardust by Note, and for blush, I'm using the Benefit Dandelion Blush. Then I'm moving on to my eye makeup and using the products from the Touch in Soul kit. I'm applying the Pretty Filter Mattish Liquid Eyeshadow in Charm to my crease and blending it out with the Sigma E35 brush. This liquid eyeshadow is surprisingly effortless to blend and it's also easy to build up as well. I'm adding some more to my crease and then taking a smaller Sigma E45 brush to blend that out. I'm then blending a bit more with the fluffier brush and adding the Medalist Sparkling Foiled Pigment in Sun Aurora to my lid space. This glitter topper is absolutely beautiful and has an intense color payoff. Next, I'm adding some of the mattish eyeshadow to my lower lash line and blending it out with the same Sigma brushes that I used in my crease. You can use my discount code TheTaylorCherie for 10% off your purchase at sigmabeauty.com. Now for mascara, I'm applying some Benefit Roller Lash and then popping on some Ardell faux mink demi wispies. Going back to the products from the kit, I'm tightlining with the Style Black Gel Liner with Diamond in Onyx and applying some Metalist Liquid Glitter Topper in Hollow Glow from the Romantic Rose Look set to my inner corners. I'm also adding some of the Metalist Sparkling Fold Pigment in Cream Peach to the front of my lower lash line. Finally, I'm finishing off my eyes by adding some mascara to my lower lashes, and to complete the look, I'm applying the Note Cosmetics Long Wearing Lipstick in Chic Raspberry. And that completes the summer vacation glam look using the Touch in Soul I Can't Wait kit. Let me know in the comments below where you went on vacation this summer or your favorite vacation getaway. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!